If you have problems with the products and services of one of your memberships, and you want to pause or cancel it for all your users after agreement with them, we'll show you how to change the membership status of hundreds or thousands of your WordPress users in just minutes. For this you need the WooCommerce Memberships plugin. As you know, this plugin allows you to create membership plans to give exclusive access to content and products to certain specific users. Just remember that the number of set fields displayed as columns will depend on how many membership plans you have available. Also, you'll use the WordPress Users Spreadsheet plugin, which uses an intuitive spreadsheet within WordPress to perform advanced searches, bulk edit any of your user profiles plus all fields generated from other plugins, and you can export and import users in a few clicks. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. Let's say you want to pause or cancel all the users from the Gold membership plan. First, you'll have to search for all the users with this membership plan active by opening the search tool. Then select the Gold membership here. And run the search. Once the users with the Gold membership plan active have been filtered, we'll show you how to pause their memberships. To do this, open the Bulk Edit tool. Select this option to edit all the rows from our current search. Since we'll pause the membership plan 1, we need to select this column here. Choose the Set Value option. Here, select Paused. And hit Execute to pause the Gold membership plan for all selected users. Now let's cancel the membership plans for the selected users using the Bulk Edit tool. We'll select the field labeled Membership 1, Status, but you can select the membership field that you need to edit. Select Set Value here. Now choose Cancelled. Finally, execute and the Gold membership plan of all the selected users will be cancelled. Editing the status of hundreds of subscriptions at once is really easy with the WordPress Users Spreadsheet plugin, since you don't have to open and edit the values one by one, but you can edit them all at once. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, as well as the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.